I just want to start by saying you look amazing. And from the first moment we kissed, I knew I loved you. I knew my life was going to change for the better. Back in middle school, I never imagined this would ever happen, and we'd stand up here together. I couldn't be happier that this has happened. You're such a hard worker. I admire so many things about you. You make me want to be a better man, the best person I can be.
Matthew, life without you would be unimaginable. From middle school strangers to now lifelong partners, I wouldn't have wanted it any other way. The timing that we reconnected into each other's lives felt like the perfect moment, the moment I knew exactly where I was supposed to be.
We have been invited here today to share in a very important moment in Jami and Matthew's lives. Though their love, commitment, and understanding for each other has been unwavering since its start, today we are gathered here to celebrate their shared experiences, encourage them in the dreams of their future, and witness the special transition they make as they vow to live their lives together as husband and wife. It has been said that Matthew and Jami's relationship is fun and spontaneous, a match made in heaven and meant to be.
I've loved every moment upon this journey. I promise to always support you in anything you do. I promise to love you and always be faithful. And I promise to be the best husband you deserve. I'll love you from the beginning and I'll love you to the end.
They are adventure partners, the hosts of late night rave parties, and a pair that loves their fur babies, their family, and asking the question, but where's Mikey?
I vow to always keep you as the one I laugh with, live with, and laugh at, because sometimes it's too hard not to. I know my dad and Papa were both by my side walking down the aisle today, and I know they're both standing here with us and throughout our whole life journey together. I promise to be your honest, faithful, and loving wife for the rest of my days. I love you forever and always.
With this ring, I thee wed.
And pledge you my love forever and always.
Love is a force more impressive than any other because it is invisible. It cannot be measured or seen, yet is powerful enough to transform you in a moment and offer you more joy than any material possession ever could.
But one of our hopes for Matthew was always that he would find a girl that would love him the way he is and not try to change him. And we see that he's found that in Jami.
We would love to make a toast to the bride and groom, the open bar, and Matt, this tab is on you. Mr. and Mrs. Hurd!
Without further ado, it is my absolute pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.